In this lesson we will discuss some protocols and attacks in the OSI model. Application layer: use HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, and DNS protocols. Attacks: malware, DOS, SMTP attack, FTP, bounce, data attack, insecure HTTP, browser hijacking, and buffer overflow. Presentation layer: use data representation and encryption protocols. Malformed SSL, SSL stripping, Unicode vulnerabilities, worms. Session layer: use WebSockets protocol. Possible attacks is session hijacking, denial of service attack. Transport layer: use TCP, UDP SSL protocols. Possible attacks: TCP flood, desynchronization attack. Network layer: use IP, ICMP. Possible attacks: spoofing, hijacking, ping floods, and man-in-the-middle attacks. Data link layer: use MAC, Ethernet protocols. Possible attacks we can face in this layer is MAC spoofing, collision, switch looping, traffic analysis. Physical layer: use cables and Wi-Fi. Possible attacks: wiretapping, jamming, tampering. These were some common protocols and attacks.